Hello, my name is Werner Benneck from Vega Fluid Control Systems. In this video I would like to show you how to connect PACTware to a positioner to make the parameterization. Therefore we need a USB to hard adapter, the communication DTM and the specific DTM for the positioner. In the project we need to choose the correct port first and adjust the right settings. After connecting to the interface, we start a scan for attached hard devices. Here we are. On top of the list there is our positioner. We connect with the field device and upload all settings into PACTware. After the positioner is mounted to the control valve for the first time, the positioner needs to be adjusted. This happens automatically after starting the Xtune function. During this procedure, the positioner detects the maximum travel of the valve, the volume and the friction of the actuator. This takes some time and is shown here in a compressed scene. At the end you can make all necessary adjustments and download them to the device. Now our control valve is ready to run in a RC bus line. There parameters like set point, position and status are transferred in cyclic communication. Finally, you can store all settings in PACTware for your documentation and for later use in case of service and maintenance. PACTware, service and backup for your parameter settings.